Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. We're trendy fashion and hairstyles, a channel that got you covered for latest trendy fashion and hairstyle. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, do subscribe, okay? Do subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on our videos, okay? Thank you so much as you join us. So my ladies, today we have beautiful nails ideas. Yes, red Christmas nails ideas for my ladies. Cute and stylish nail art designs for you my ladies. So guys, do watch it from beginning to the end. Trust me, you're gonna find beautiful style inspiration, beautiful elevator look. You can make these styles on your nail for this festive season, and trust me, your season will be absolutely amazing because this will give you the vibe that you need this season. So guys, as a watch, kindly do select your favorite and also share to your loved ones, and also do encourage us by liking this video, share and comment. Guys, liking the video does a lot to the video to help it to reach a wider audience, and trust me, it's a big motivator for us to keep bringing mind-blowing news ideas and hairstyles to you. So guys, just go check all of our videos out. We have other beautiful videos that you definitely love. Remember, we have video on hairstyles and clothing. Just go into our channel and explore beautiful designs. And as you watch, like, comment and share. See you guys in our next video. Bye.